Hi, my name is Bernd Hert. I'm a product manager for our SAP solutions on Cloud Volume Service. And today I'd like to show you how to use fast application consistent backups in Google Cloud using Cloud Volume Service. With Cloud Volume Service now being certified for SAP HANA single node up to 12 terabyte of memory, customers can now benefit from simplified deployment and operations, enterprise-grade NFS, enhanced features like snapshots, and in today's video I'd like to show you how you can use the REST API and SDK to create your own workflows using a sample script that creates an application consistent snapshot backup for SAP HANA. In our lab setup, we have deployed 3 volumes, the data, the log, and 1 volume for the shared files. And we have mounted them via NFS to our HANA system, where we also deployed the demo script. And of course, we have deployed SAP HANA Studio to have a look at the backup catalog. So let's start with HANA Studio. We have configured the system DB and the tenant DB P01. In Google, we go to the NetApp volumes, the cloud volumes, and we see the 3 volumes following a naming convention. And we can look at the mount instructions. So we see how to mount it with NFS generically. We can go to the SAP HANA server. So let's log on as SID ADM. So let's double check. So we look at the volumes. We see those 3 volumes are mounted to 4 mount paths. And we can check also the mount table, the etc fs tab. And we see we have slightly modified mount options as recommended by our best practice for SAP HANA. And as a HANA admin, we can check whether HANA is started. So we see only the sub-start SOV is up. So the next step would be to start the SAP HANA system. So while HANA is starting, we can go back to the HANA Studio, refresh the screen, see HANA is up and running, and we check that with the administration console, and we see the processes are running. In our example, it's a small empty database, but what we are showing here works for every size of the database. So as a root user, we have that little sample script, and there is another key file, JSON, we'll cover that later. That's a Python script, so we can start that script, and when using the help extension or command option, we can see all the functions that are available within that script. And the most important for our demo here is the backup, which includes a complete application consistent backup of the HANA system. So let's have a look at the key.json. That is basically an input file for the credentials of that service account to connect to the Cloud Volume Service. So the command line, HANA backup, Cloud Volume need to be specified. We will give a backup name. We will need to specify the SID and a user store key where the credentials are stored. So that is real time right now. We see within a few seconds we have created a application consistent snapshot, and we can basically even list the snapshots with another HANA command, so with the -L, and we see we have created a new backup 3. There's a timestamp for it. Going back to HANA Studio, we can open the HANA backup catalog. So with the HANA backup catalog, after refresh, we see there is a new backup coming, and the backup name is in the comment and the external backup ID. Also, the Google portal shows the new snapshot, so there's a consistent match what's in the HANA backup catalog and the names the snapshots have in the Google console. With that, I want to close this video, and I hope you had a short overview of the enhanced features of Cloud Volume Service running SAP HANA in Google. Thank you.